Grandma. Oh yeah. You turned it on, right?
It's been pretty easy.
Yeah, not too shabby. Even on the border, it does.
If you can't get the edges completely full, just leave it. It's that way for drainage, remember?
Oh yeah. Yeah, maybe it won't take that all that much. I mean, big gaps, but not that many of them. I mean, pretty big pavers, so maybe, I mean, that goes a long way.
Yeah, and they're full.
Surprising.
Think so, huh? Go before it rains on us again. Yeah, I'm going. Get yelled at. I'm used to it, I'm married. I know why you're laughing, Patrick.
I'm not married.
Not yet.
Got a whole month and 10 days.
It's not gonna take that much, is it?
No, this is very surprising. Jeez, who brought so much sand?
Wherever the boss is. What'd you say?
No, that boat kept throwing it on.
You really didn't have to open that, probably.